Today we are going to discuss the introduction of information technology or the introduction to information technology. Why you should choose information technology or IT in your career. So see the contents of information technology. Here in this content we are going to learn the introduction, history, present role means in present sector where the IT is getting used, hardware and software we are using in IT, advantages, disadvantages, benefits. Okay, so all this we are going to see today. Check student, the definition is given how. Information technology or IT is contemporary term that describes the combination of computer technology, that is hardware and software, with telecommunications technology, that is data, image and voice network. So what is IT? IT stands for information technology. So at first we need to understand what is IT. What is information? Sorry. So what is information? Information is a collection of related data. Information is collection of related data, a meaningful data. So it become information. Information technology is what? Now the media which we are using to distribute, to share information among people. So what are the technology, what are the media we are using to distribute information about human being, about within human being or within society? Now computer is media, data is media, image is media, voice network is media. See, I am communicating now with you, I am teaching with you now. How I am teaching? Through mobile. So that is the technology I am using to distribute information among you, to share my knowledge with you. So that because of the information technology is important in current generation. Now check communication. Why the communication we need? Without communication, can we link with any other people? Can we talk with any other people? Can we share our knowledge with any other people? No. The basic need for most human activities is communication. Communication is very much required. We have to communicate each other. Even animals, they are also communicating each other. Even birds, they are also communicating each other. So as a human being, we have to find out the way how we can communicate with each other. How we can communicate the person who is staying very far from us, the person who is staying very near to us. So the medium we need to find out, the communication we need to find out. What are the ways? So traditional communication ways are telephone, fax, mail. Okay, nowadays lot of things are coming like chat, voice message, audio message, which we are saying video message. Fine. Okay, see the definition. In the new information are email, internet, video conferencing. Okay, the new communication technology enables people located in different places to work together. Nowadays, see students, due to this corona pandemic, we all are at home. Still, we are communicating with each other. Still, we are learning. Still, we are continuing our course. Now all of you have joined in 11th class and we are taking our classes. So how it is possible? Because of communication technology, because of information technology. Okay, big multinational companies are already exploiting this technology to achieve better use of resources of their separate offices. the companies and all, the colleges, the schools, they are using the technology to develop this information technology via Zoom software, you say, via any software, you say, WhatsApp, you say, Google Meet, you say, Microsoft Meet, you say. So we are trying to communicate with students, or students are trying to communicate with their teachers. Okay, in this way projects can be shared between offices. See, the department wise, whatever the projects or whatever the development they have done, they can share each other, as well as a teacher can teach to the students. So this is how the communication is helping, or information technology is helping to human being. Now students, see, computer use. What information technology means, at first the computer has to come in between. So how the computer is getting used in information technology? The purpose of computer is to use data into information. So data is always available in information. Data consists the raw fact figure that processed into information. In our summer course we learn what is data, what is information and all. Here also in brief we are seeing information is data has been summarized or otherwise manipulated for use in decision making. Data means, I told Rashmi. So you will say, sir, who is Rashmi? Is a boy, is a girl, is a student, is a teacher? Who? Nothing understood. So that is data. Clear, students? Now suppose I told Rashmi is a teacher belonging to SJSC college. So now you will be able to know something about Rashmi. You can say, yes, Rashmi is a teacher who is teaching in SJSC college. Clear? So this is information. When I say something about a data, or when I summarize a data, it becomes information. Now hardware and software, you see, hardware consists of all machineries, equipment in a computer system, and software is a program consists of all electronics instructions that tell computer how it performs. So hardware and software also already all of us discuss. So in information technology, obviously there will be some hardware, equipment and software we need to use. Now suppose you see, now I am teaching to all of you. You all are taking lessons from me. So what hardware and software we are using? Here the hardware we are using mobile, and the software we are using video messaging. Okay, students. So this is how the hardware and softwares can be used together for information technology, for sharing information between us. Now see, internet also is very much used in information technology. The value of internet to construction companies derive from its ability to easily connect globally to a vast amount of data, which would otherwise have taken more time and money to organize. Obviously now through internet we can share our data from one end of world to another end of world. We can share to any corner of world. Like television, you say, television is the medium through which the news and all, through by getting the news and all, we are getting the information from all over the world. So that is what the technologies we are using. Okay, same way internet also is a medium through which any information can be shared to anyone in the world, any corner of the world. Okay, students. So this is internet. There are 2 points given here. You see, distribution of knowledge resources. One thing it is saying always, students, see, resource. What is resource here? Resource is what? Suppose I have a Bluetooth device, I have a mobile, I have a computer. So that is resource. How I am utilizing that resource for sharing information between students, between human beings. Okay, so that is resource. So how I am utilizing that resource? So promotion and marketing for company, that is also one point is given regarding information technology. Now the next point you see, online services we are getting, distance learning, as we all of us we are learning, we are going through distance learning now, sitting at home we are learning. Online learning we can say also, that is online services. E-business, all of us staying at home also can purchasing anything from Amazon, from Flipkart. So these are also a part of information technology, that is e-business. E-business stands for electronic business. Teleworking, teleworking means over phone we are working, over mobile we are working. Okay, so these are nothing but the online services we are getting through internet. So if you see in detail, the rapid development of the internet in World Wide Web, that is WWW in short you can say, means all over the world. It means web in the sense the website, the web pages, okay, has enabled many services that traditionally required face to face meeting to be delivered online. So in www, that is suppose for Amazon, there is amazon.com website, that is www.amazon.com. Okay, so they are providing the online services for recharging a mobile, for recharging a television, for buying something from over internet, for talking with the people, like Zoom software we are using to talk with the people, for WhatsApp we are using. So they are providing the online services via information technology. Now distance learning you see. Here opportunities of university education's wideness, access to higher education, increases a country's competitiveness in global market. So internet distance learning, sorry. So distance learning is what? Sitting at home, the people, those are working people, they don't have the time to learn by going to the colleges, by going to the schools. So how they can learn then? They can learn via distance learning. Okay, now also uh, because of this problem of corona and all, we all are sitting at home learning via distance, via online. Now e-business, which already I told you, internet provides virtual marketplace. Virtual marketplace means we are not going physically to the market. Sitting at home, we are buying the products, we are selling the products. OLX, quicker, all of you have heard, through which we are selling the products. We can buy a old product, okay, negotiate with the student peoples. We can run our trade, run our business also via this. Understood, students? No need to go to market physically. That is what virtual. Virtual means imaginary. Teleworking, flexibility in working condition, less office space, more productivity of workers. So due to internet, due to information technology, due to e-business and all, so we can order anytime. We can receive a order also anytime. There is no time limit. We need not to take a hi-fi office. We need not to take a big office. Taking a small office, because online no one is going to come to you, so you can take a very small office and all to run your online business. Okay, students, next slide. So how information technology is being used in education? In education we are using for in email, distance learning already we learn, no need to discuss. Given medicine, there are some more also slides where we can learn about it describedly. History, there is no particular date, year, that when the information technology or IT was developed or find it out. So it is given just roughly that in 60s and 70s the term information technology was a little known phrase, okay, that was used by those who worked in place like bank, hospital and store information. So it means in those days the IT was slowly get developed. With the paradigm shift to computing technology, paperless work, from when we started paperless work, means without paper, pen and paper, we started working. That from that time only the information technology started. It defines the industry that use computer, networking, software, programming. It means that from the day we started using computer, software, computer related devices, so the history started of information technology from those stage. See, software development and computer programming were best left to computer scientists, mathematical engineers due to their complicated nature. As time passes, technology advances, such as with advent of personal computer, 1980s. So in 1980s, the PCs get developed. So information technology get used broadly in world. Okay, 60s and 80s, 70s, it get started slowly, and in 80s, it gets spread everywhere due to PCs, that is personal computer. Check modern technology. In our technology, in our days, or in this generation, nearly every child in the Western world and many other part of the world knew how to use PC. Now all of us knows how to use PC. The person who is using mobile can use PC simply. It become very easy, user friendly. Business information technology departments have gone from using storage steps created by a single computer operator and to interconnected networks employ workstation that store information server farm often somewhere away from the main business site. We need not to go to particular site to do some task. Sitting at home, we can develop any kind of things. We can improve our business. We can run our business due to modern technology, due to information technology. See the societal impact of IT. In society, how the IT has impact in education, in healthcare, in governance, business, design and manufacturing. So see, in education, how the IT has the importance, or IT gave its importance. Audio visual lesson or audio visual session. In classes, we can present audio or visual sessions, creating slides in PowerPoint, defining, giving some voice messages, giving online classes, making it more interactive e-learning classes. Interactive e-learning means interactively means we can ask the question to the students, by the same time we can teach also. Interactive in both way communication. Social communication tools, any like tools like computer, ebook, projector, video, we can use to go with information technology. Simulations, games, we can play game also in online, like PUBG and all these games we are playing over internet, using computer and all, using mobile and all. Then see healthcare. So reduction in healthcare cost. If information technology getting used in a healthcare system, like in hospitals, medicines, so it reduce the cost. Increase in quality of healthcare service. Obviously, if information technology or the computer get used in a healthcare system, it increase the quality of the service, easy communication of medical data. We can share our information, and doctor can share his information with another doctor. You heard when the operation is going on in a place, the doctor can record them and can show them to his colleagues, his students. So how it is possible? Via this technology. Now see, in governance how we are using. We can go for blogging, we can go for interactive survey. We are doing an interactive survey, like how many population in India are educated, non-educated, how many are male, how many are female, how many are old, adult. All those survey we are doing now, like Janaganana and all. So that is also a part of information technology which government used to do for us, that is governance written. Blogging, you are seeing like Twitter and all. There we are giving our idea, our thoughts, we are sharing. Internet banking we are doing sitting at home. We can send someone money, we can receive money, we can do banking transaction, reservation for flight, train, bus, movie ticket. We can do that also. Online shopping we can do, which already I told you. Okay, democracy. E-democracy in the sense that is electronic democracy. Now our government is helping in so many ways via or with the help of information technology. Now check next, design and manufacturing, how the IT is supported. Computer aided design software. So this is known as CAD, CAD. So CAD kind of software help us to design a ship, design a aeroplane, design a particular toy, table, chair, anything we can design through CAD software. It is a kind of software through which any machineries thing, anything we can design before it get developed. Okay, so computer aided manufacturing software, we can develop software as well. Integrated manufacturing, it means integrated manufacturing kind of software also we can develop. Cheap level of software we can develop. That is design and manufacturing. Okay students, here we are ending the part of information technology. We came to know lot of in brief about information technology, okay, which will help you to choose IT or bio in your plus 2 career, so that you can build up your career. Okay students, so this is what the information about information technology.